Everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential problem, which is 8 to the power x times 8 to the power x. This is equal to 60. So what is the value of x? Now, let's prevent the solution from here. We have that this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. Now, applying this exponent property, then here we have 8 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 60. Now, we have that 8 raised to power x plus x, this is 2x, and this is equal to 60. Now, to solve for the value of x from here, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So we have log 8 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 60. Now, the next step is that log 8 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power n. This is equal to n log a. Now, applying this power rule property of logarithm, then you find that log 8 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 8. This is equal to log 60. Now, let's divide both sides by log 8 and also here by log 8. Now, let's simplify here. Log 8 and log 8 simplifies so that we have 2x is equal to log 60 over log 8. Now, we can express 60 as 12 times 5. So in this case here, we have 2x is equal to log 12 times 5 divided by log 8. Now, log 12 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, then we have 2x is equal to log 12 over log 8, then plus log 5 divided by log 8. The next step is that we can express 12 as, this is the same thing as 4 times 3. So this is the same thing as 2x is equal to log 4 times 3 divided by log 8, then plus log 5 divided by log 8. 2x is equal to log 4 times 3, and this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we have that 2x is equal to log 4 divided by log 8, then plus log 3 divided by log 8, then plus log 5 divided by log 8. The next step from here is that we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2, and we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. Now, substituting this, we'll have 2x is equal to log 2 to the power 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3, then plus log 3 divided by log 8, which is log 2 to the power 3, then plus log 5 divided by log 8, which is log 2 to the power 3. The next step is that log 2 to the power 2, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then we have that 2x is equal to log 2 to the power 2, which is 2 log 2, divided by log 2 to the power 3, which is 3 log 2, then plus log 3, divided by log 2 to the power 3, which is 3 log 2, then plus log 5, divided by log 2 to the power 3, which is 3 log 2. The next step is that log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that here we have 2x is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2, then plus 1 over 3 log 5 over log 2. The next step is that log 3 over log 2, this is in the form of log a over log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now applying this logarithm property, then we have that 2x is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2, then plus 1 over 3 log 5 to base 2. Now, let's divide both sides by 2 from here, so that now we simplify here. X will be equal to 2 over 3 times 1 over 2, then plus 1 over 3 times 1 over 2. This is log 3 to base 2, then plus 1 over 3 times 1 over 2, then log 5 to base 2. So let's simplify here, so that x is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. This is log 3 to base 2, then plus 1 over 3 times 2, which is equal to 6, log 5 to base 2. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation by following these steps. Let's verify that the value of x, which is a third, plus 1 over 6 log 3 to base 2, plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2, satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we have that 8 to the power x multiplied by 8 to the power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. Now, you find that this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. Now, applying this exponent property, then here we have 8 to the power x plus x, which is 2x. This should give us a value of 60. The next step from here, let's substitute the value of x, so that we have 8 to the power 2 multiplied by x, which is 1 over 3, plus 1 over 6. This is log 3 to base 2, then plus 1 over 6. This is log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 60. The next step is that we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So this implies that here we have 2 to the power 3 times 2. Into the parentheses, here we have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 log 3 to base 2, then plus 1 over 6. This is log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 60. Now let's simplify here by 3, 1, by 3, 1. So we have 2 to the power 2, then plus. Now let's simplify here by 3. This is 2, 2, 2 here. So we have this as log 3 to base 2, then plus. This is by 2, 1, by 2, 3, then by 3, by 3, 1. So this is log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 60. The next step is that 2 to the power 2 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power n times a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to the power 3, that is 2 to the power 2, times 2 to the power log 3 to base 2, times 2 to the power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 60. Now the next step is that 2 to the power 2 here, this is 4, times 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of m to the power log a to base m. and this is supposed to give us a value of a. So this implies that 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is the same thing as 3, and 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5. So here we have 4 times 2 to power log 3 to base 2, which is equal to 3, then times 2 to power log 5 to base 2, which is equal to 5. This should give us a value of 60. So 4 times 3 here is 12, times 5, this is equal to 60, and this is equal to 60. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x here satisfies the equation.